If you have a foot sensor to accompany your Bioness L300 Go system, remove it from the box in order to connect it to your cuff and insert it in your shoe. You will need your foot sensor and the L300 Go system cuff. First, pop off the back cover of the clip and insert the provided battery with the letters facing up. You will see a flashing green and red light. Next, press the foot sensor pad with your fingers so you see a flashing green light. While that is flashing green, enter pairing mode on your L300 Go Cuff EPG by powering on the device and then pressing the plus and minus buttons simultaneously. The cuff and sensor will both beep to confirm pairing was successful. You are now ready to place the sensor in your shoe. First, remove any padded sole. Place the foot sensor under your heel, unless a Bioness representative or your therapist has recommended a different location. Place the sticky sensor pad in the desired location, and then press the sensor with the toes facing forward. Attach the clip to the outside edge of your shoe, and replace the sole of your shoe to cover the sensor and wire. Be sure that the wire is not trapped on top of the sensor, under the sole of your shoe. You are now ready to use the foot sensor with your Bioness L300 Go system.